Alright, what's up guys? I'm going to get into this trade review for the day. So we're looking at the SPY. Decent volume yesterday. Looked like it could increase into today and break out of this area here, this zone that's been in, this range. This is a day back. You know, I'm looking. This is what you would see before the market opened. The Qs I'm looking at made an all-time high at 368.89, pulled back, and then they've been in this zone feeding off of this supply area or this demand area here, and looking for a leg higher is what I think. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into my trades. I was looking at Square, Moderna. Square has a nice bull flag, but it was not looking good and bounced off of the trend line, so it wasn't a breakout today, or at least I didn't think so. And it kind of makes an attempt to do it later, and I make a few bucks off of that as well in my Tastyworks account. So I'll go through that. But that was I took a PDT roll on it. I thought it was gonna really move, but it didn't. So that's, you know, I still ended up making money on it, and it is what it is. But I thought that was gonna be a really nice trade. But I still came out green on it, and that's all from reading the tape really well. So Moderna here, I just kind of flicked onto this. They were talking about it in chat, so I saw that it was setting up nice and making an attempt at all-time high here, and has been in a nice uptrend, going a little parabolic here. So I'm kind of thinking about a pullback in the back of my mind, but it looks really good to break out. And I want to see it try and be a part of that move, because it can, you know, if it broke up to 410, that's a really nice trade for me. So here we go. Dude, Moderna looks good right here, bro. Trying to talk to myself, kind of. Yeah. So what you'll end up seeing here is it's starting to gain momentum. I try to buy 3 contracts, which is a mess up on my active trader, and it's kind of an issue, but it got me into the trade late, which put me a little on tilt and made me want to get out of it a little earlier than I would have otherwise. This ended up being a really good setup that traded really well, and I butchered it kind of because I tried to buy, and I ended up buying here. Missed a whole $1 of that move, which is alright, but you know, that would have been a lot better trade if I got that, and that's just on me learning my new setup better, and kind of engineering it to be the best. So we stay in this trade. The tape looks really good. It's chewing through a lot of offers, as you can see on the tape. You can see them post up here and then just get ate up here. You know, it's just a constant. Oh, the whole thing gets eat up. I mean, people are just whacking through these. And so we've already seen a $2 move. I'm thinking, okay, this is starting to get a little bit ready for a pullback, and I'm looking for it to pull back to this area because I want to try and get in again. So it ends up pulling back as I thought. I come back to it. It bounces off the level just like I thought it would, and I end up just trading it poorly, and yeah, I don't get in. I should have got in as soon as it broke above that, you know, but I didn't get in in time. And now it's kind of iffy because it's like, wait, what do I want to do here? It's wicking from the top, which just makes me nervous a little bit. But now it's going to start wicking from both sides. I end up selling out of it here. I'm like, yeah, this thing's not looking too great, and I don't want to risk the stuff I just made, so that's how I'm going to do that. Especially with the IV level this thing was at, and it ended up trending higher, so you know, it does what it does. Then we're gonna go to a trade I made on the SPY. Looking at the ES futures. Oh, whoops, this is the wrong video, I believe. Alright, as you can see, I'm looking at SPY here. It's bouncing. I'm saying, okay, yeah, this is good if it gets above this candle right here. That's a bullish engulfing. We'll take it. And boom, it does. So I get in there with a very small position of 0 DTE calls. 2 of them for 41 cents each. You know, this is just kind of a practice trade. Like, let's trade setups that are favorable for us. And I don't know why I'm talking in third person, but it seems like a lot of people do that on YouTube, and I don't really like it. It's kind of a pet peeve of mine, so I don't like when I'm doing it. But anyway, I like that, and my stop is this level here, and I'm ready to see it go and see what happens. And it ends up just trending higher, breaking above this VWAP. I sell out and buy some more because I thought it was going to fall, and I just ended up re-entering because it held this 9 EMA really well. Ended up being a really nice trade, and then I've sold some here. It pulls back. I buy again, looking for a move higher, and it doesn't do anything, so I end up taking a loss on that. But you know, it is what it is, and I made a decent trade on it. So my other trade was on SQ, and this might be the video for it. No, this ain't it. Anyway, I don't have a video for it, so yeah, that was my trade recap for the day. I ended up doing 109 on this account and 153 total for the day, so that's $44 in the other account. Pretty decent day, not too shabby. I'm still swinging TAN and SQ with risk control to out of the money options. You know, they're kind of like lottos, if you will. Like, it's something that I have a lot of conviction in, and I want to see a very large move in it because of the conviction I have and the market conditions currently. So yeah, that's kind of what's going on, and thank you guys for watching, and hopefully this was helpful in your growth as a trader as it is for me to make these videos. It's really helpful for me to just, you know, sit back and watch my film enough to be able to make a video about it to show what happened for the day. And that's just me reviewing my trades. These trades made a lot of sense to me, and I definitely enjoy these types of setups. So let's we'll see you later.